the channel. Hey, in this video, I just wanted to get engagement from you guys. Me just starting out on this channel. I really want to get, your input as far as what you prefer, as far as, whether it be power tools, or regular tools. You've got Ryobi basically for like the cost effectiveness, especially for beginner, woodworkers that are just starting out. Cost is, a big deal, but then you kind of lack in quality at times. So, you've got Milwaukee too, for quality. DeWalt, obviously there's Makita and all that. So, in this video, I just want to get your input as far as what you guys prefer, because as we all know, usually when you stick with one, that's like your lifeline. So, please comment below. Let me know, as far as what, brand you prefer, and maybe as to why, you're so loyal to that brand. I appreciate your feedback, and I'll make sure to comment back on, a lot of your posts. So appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Audio Jungle.